In many popular internet videos, there is often a focus on women who seem to lose control of their actions, and they are often referred to as Karens. We watch these videos to see what they will do next. What were the consequences for the woman after her actions?
No, you don't. No, you don't.
By law, you were required
Move
to
your, move your damn
No.
foot.
You don't put your hands on me.
Get in the car. Sit down.
My daughter
Sit
was right
down.
here waiting for me.
Sit down.
You have to take me to jail.
Okay. So you don't have to pay your bill?
No, I'm gonna pay my bill. If I have my phone, I
Are
can't
you gonna pay your
find
bill right now?
it. I'm gonna try.
Where's your phone?
In the bar.
Here are 3 of the wildest encounters with intoxicated women that you've seen. On March 5th, 2024, an officer stopped a vehicle due to an obstructed license plate and the dark tint on the windows.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good. Can you roll down this back window, please?
There's a bunch of stuff that's gonna fall out, but
I will.
The woman initially presented an expired license and was unable to provide a clear ID.
Couldn't see it. Your tint is so dark. There it goes. Do you have a driver's license on you? How you doing, sir?
this
Good.
is expired. I do not expired.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just broken in half.
Yeah, that's fine. Sir, do you have an ID on you?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what you have in your bag, and I feel very uncomfortable with you keep on digging in there. Do you mind not digging in your bag, please?
ID, of course.
I got you. So you do have a license, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir?
Expired.
Okay, that's your ID? Okay, cool. So where are you from, ma'am?
Okay.
California? All right. You do have a California valid driver's license? Okay, you do? All right. You want to step out for me real quick? I want to figure out your driver's license situation, okay?
Wait.
The officer realized that she had a problem and was required to step out of her car and go into the police car.
You ain't gonna step out of the vehicle?
Why can't I stay in the car for you to look up my license? Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle. I ain't playing this game. Just do what? Step out. Step out. Hands behind your back. Keep your hands behind your back. Face it from the door. Come here.
Next to the man in the front seat, the man seemed to cooperate with the officer and said he was just a friend and they don't have weapons.
Step out of the vehicle. Put your hands behind your back. You're just being detained, okay?
Okay,
I appreciate your cooperation.
all right.
Who's she to you?
She's a friend, and
Sit back. You got any weapons on you?
no, sir.
Careful, pat you down, bro.
You can pat me down all you want. The guy I work with,
Yeah, 10-4, you can downgrade, but I'm gonna need another unit.
it's his normal friend.
She's a girlfriend?
Yeah, it's his girlfriend.
Other than that BB gun, is there anything?
There's nothing.
Illegal narcotics?
The woman still believed she was innocent and, in her resistance, requested that the officers provide their IDs.
Then you're gonna go to jail. My ID's right here. You're about to go to jail. I'm trying to talk you out of going to jail.
Your
There, you see it? You happy?
yeah?
All right.
Let's hear about number.
The officer detected alcohol on the driver and saw what appeared to be a firearm, later identified as a BB gun, in the car.
If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand Miranda?
I'd hope to answer that, but yes.
Okay, yes, you do understand Miranda.
May I please get out of the car?
Okay, no, you're gonna sit right there. I can smell alcohol coming off of you. I saw a Red Ryder BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. Pennsylvania v. Mims is case law where I can ask you to step out of the vehicle. Huh?
The officer still had to be patient to explain for her.
Yeah, in the state of Florida, you have to have registration on a motor vehicle on the outside of the vehicle, on the rear of the vehicle, okay?
I was not aware of that.
So I can smell the alcohol. I saw the front grip of what I thought to be a firearm. It was a BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. I am going to take you to jail, okay? And I'm going to do a DUI investigation on you as well, okay? And if you want to do that, you can. That's entirely okay, and that's fine. But you're going to jail regardless, okay?
The women claimed sovereign citizen status, refusing to comply with standard procedures and facing charges for noncompliance.
Without violence, and I'm going to charge you with DUI, okay?
Trust anybody who comes up to us.
We're in uniform.
What am I driving? What am I driving?
All right. Well, that can be your argument in court then. That'll be a good one.
Is there anything illegal inside the vehicle?
No.
Okay, is there anyone within like 15 minutes can come pick your vehicle up?
Move your damn
No.
foot.
Stop me.
I said move your foot.
He's
By law, you don't know what you're talking about.
The man was charged with possession of a controlled substance and paraphernalia. The woman was charged with possession of a controlled substance, possession paraphernalia, possession of a controlled substance without prescription, resisting without violence.
I wonder if this was loaded. Oh, yeah, it's got BBs in there. Does Samantha have a valid license? Kiwi Peach, simply spiked, contains alcohol.
10-4 valid.
I'm gonna give her a ticket for an open container too.
100%.
She was doing 56 in front of me in a 45.
You ain't get caught by the police.
Tom, is this your phone?
If you think the situation is the worst, please watch the video below. A woman tried to bypass a roadblock set up by deputies working a traffic crash, resulting in her being stopped by law enforcement.
Oh boy, that didn't work out too well. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No!
The officer required the woman stop her car and provide her license, but she didn't cooperate.
Okay. Can you give me your driver's license? Let me. Yes, it is. What? Do you not see this blue truck? Do you not see that blue truck? Put your car in park and give me your driver's license. Put your car in park and give me your driver's license.
Waiting at the freaking bus stop.
I don't care. We got blue lights and people's safety for a reason. Put your car in park. Okay. Stop her.
Yo, stop.
Britt, go.
The woman refused to stop and tried to cross the barricade. She explained that her daughter was waiting for her, but her actions were not appropriate.
Get in the car. Sit down.
My daughter
Sit
was right
down.
here waiting for me.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Give me your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Because they blocked it off and I was trying to get to Giselle and I got here, she's not freaking
It's
here.
related to that.
Look, my daughter's
Okay,
right
sit
there.
down.
My daughter's right there.
I don't care.
I was trying
Sit
to get
down.
to my daughter. Dude, it's blocked off.
Sit down and give me your driver's license. Now.
I don't have it with me. It's at the house.
Don't get involved. Don't get involved.
That's right.
I get it, but don't get involved.
You don't need to yell at me. I'm not being...
Don't get involved.
Get off the
I
phone.
was trying to... This is my husband.
I don't care.
I was trying
You
to
are
get to my
stopped for a
daughter.
lawful reason.
How was it? It wasn't even blocked off. People were coming out of that
North
street.
32. Can you advise
You
me
guys
that
were
tag
blocking
goes
all
back
the
to?
way to 75.
Yeah,
I'm
why
trying
do you
to get
think
to
we're
my
doing
daughter.
that?
It was nothing blocking
It was a traffic
this way.
crash. Okay?
It was
You
nothing
disobeyed.
blocking this
Okay,
way.
I'm not arguing with you. You don't have a driver's license?
I have a driver's license. It's at home. That's what
What's
I'm
your
trying
name?
to say.
What's your name?
I'm not saying that.
Okay.
She was arrested for disobeying law enforcement and resisting.
Come out.
Your kids are in the car, are they?
Turn around. This is not the way you should have handled this.
I don't need to be arrested, ma'am. Sir. I'm trying to get my driver's license. I was trying to get my daughter. Yes.
What do you
I
have?
don't know. What, my keys.
All right. And
The officer explained to her family the situation, but her actions led to a near collision with an officer.
Per Florida statute, when we stop you, you have to give us certain documents, and she's refused. So, unfortunately for her, that's violation, and that's a jailable offense.
She was charged for her actions.
do we have a name for her yet? Because she's refusing.
Surname Jessica? Yes.
You can charge her with
I only saw bits and pieces of it, so what? Obviously, we've got driving around the barricade.
Driving around the barricade, and then she drove off on the street. But I had to step back before, so she
Okay.
wouldn't run me over.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
I'll charge her with it.
Yeah. And then
I
what?
mean-
Refusing to give information.
Oh, she wouldn't stop until I got up here. I was doing almost 100 just to catch up to her.
The woman faced charges including aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer and was cited for violating traffic regulations.
So she drives off, almost runs over my foot, doesn't stop for him, and then speeds all the way up Carter Road. And then when he stops her here, she refuses to get her information. She refuses to say anything other than the fact I had to go get my daughter. And when we legally stop you for a traffic violation and you refuse to give your stuff, it's a violation of Florida State statute, and she went to jail.
The incident underscores the importance of complying with police instructions for public safety and the legal consequences of non-compliance.
We're going to watch the video, and if one of us had to step back, she's probably going to get an aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, which is a felony. Had she just waited 5 more seconds, I was getting in my vehicle and I was pulling off the side of the road. But because she couldn't wait and she went in the opposite lane of traffic, which could have caused an accident because the people that were coming off of Carter turning right onto Mox and Wallow have the right of way. She's in the opposite lane of traffic. And had she called a traffic crash, a head-on traffic crash, we'd have been toting her off in an ambulance. So we don't do things just to piss people off, right? We do things for safety of everybody involved. To include us, to include the 2 people that were already involved in the traffic crash. And we don't have time for this, right? Had she just waited and stopped there, and I'm pretty easygoing, right? So when I ask you to stop, that's what I'm asking you to do.
She was later sentenced to 6 months probation after pleading no contest. The truth is that many crazy women think they're entitled and can behave whatever they want. On April 4th, 2024, police were called to deal with a woman who refused to pay her bill at a restaurant, claiming her phone was dead and she needed to ask friends on Facebook for help.
It's fucking awesome.
The woman insisted that various acquaintances and they were ready to pay for her bill.
No, I need my boyfriend to pay my bill, and what happened was my phone doesn't have Wi-Fi in there.
Let's take this outside.
Sorry. My dad did 44 years in the NYPD.
Okay.
You can call him.
That doesn't matter.
And she continuously figured out for any reason to avoid paying her bill.
Okay, I had money in my account, and now I don't.
Okay.
This happens to me all the time. My car broke down. You're like, you can
Okay.
see it.
Well, you need to pay your bill.
I know I'm gonna make money if I have my phone to make money.
Well, you need to pay your bill now.
Okay, you have to take me to jail.
The woman insisted that various acquaintances, including ex-boyfriends and her mother, would pay her bill if she could reach them.
I'm confused. How are you going to pay your bill with your phone?
I'm gonna ask people on Facebook to pay my bill. Morgan Wallen. He does do that.
Your dad is not anywhere.
My mom can pay my bill. I went to her house to try to get it.
Okay, is your mom willing to come here and pay your bill right now?
Yes, if you call her. Boyfriend to come and pay it for me. He will do that, but I need a phone to do that. Larry will pay my bill.
Larry? Who's Larry?
Larry, my ex-boyfriend. All my ex-boyfriends are friends of mine. They'll pay my bill. They have jobs.
The situation escalated as she continued to delay paying, eventually resulting in her being arrested for failing to pay her bill.
Thank you. You said you're not going to pay this?
No, I am gonna pay it tomorrow.
Okay, well, that's going to help you. All right. Give me his money back.
Really?
Yeah.
Like you want to go in prison?
You do. You're going to jail right now for defrauding an innkeeper.
I did it before.
She seemed to regret her behavior and that her father's career in the NYPD should matter, despite the officer's indifference.
I should get my bag so I can call my dad. If you give me my bill.
Oh, yeah. She's going to be 10-15 from Steve.
Or my mom. I'm not a defrauder. This shit happens to me all the time. All your friends know me.
The staff of the restaurant should be grateful to the officers for the way they handled the situation.
No, well, there's a bunch in here. Did she buy that one from you guys?
Well, yes, she bought
Well,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then she brought these?
Yeah, those were in there. Yeah, okay.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Austin.
Yeah, not a problem, guys. Y'all have a good one.
Throughout the incident, the woman attempted to use excuses and solicit help from various people, but ultimately, she was taken into custody.
All right,
He's being an asshole.
No, he's asking you a question. This is
My dad did 44 years in the NYPD. I did 20 years in the NYPD.
okay. So,
I'm retired.
No, you're not.
do you have anything up your hoo-ha?
No,
God, I don't want to look.
I know. I don't.
I'm gonna check it.
I can't. I
Just at least do a pat down.
like,
Step out.
I
Out the
can't. Thing because my legs are stuck because they're chubby.
You're athletic. You're not chubby. And don't call us chubby, woman. All right, just put your stomach up there. Your dress is so cute.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
I need my bag.
I didn't, go ahead. We're going to get it. But go ahead.
Thank you.
All right.
We hope you found this video insightful. Which case impresses you the most? Share your feelings in the comments below. Don't forget to leave your comments, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.